Hi guys, I hope you're doing fine. Welcome to Bake with Gunjan online classes. So before I show you what we learned in our 2 days trendy travel tea time cakes workshop, I have a quick reminder for you guys. So we will be announcing our first winner who will win a free seat in the waffle workshop today. The waffle workshop starts tomorrow at 2 p.m. So the free winner can, avail the seat. And we will be asking one more question from you guys so that you can win another free seat in another workshop. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Coming back to the class, let's see what we learned. So to begin with, this is our banoffee pie travel cake. In this one, we deconstructed a banoffee pie. So the sponge that you can see, it's of banana flavor. In the center, it's dulce de leche or toffee sauce. We have topped it up with some whipping cream and we have some small little bananas here. Then on the sides, we have some digestive biscuits. Basically, in this one, we made it without the travel tin, like the travel cake tin. If you don't have, you can make it. That's how we showed in this particular one. Over here, we have the red velvet cake. If you can see, in the center, we prepared a filling of cream cheese. And yeah, it's the red velvet. This is another trendy flavor right now. This is the Lotus Biscoff. So in the center, if you can see, it's the Biscoff filling. The sponge we use Biscoff to use, and on the outside we have some crispies. This is another flavor, like amazing one. This is an almond praline cake. In this one, the sponge is of almond. In the center, we have filled it up with some chocolate, and if you can see on the top, we have added some glazing, like the double glaze, so that you can understand and you can do it on your own cake. Over here we have the royal pistachio cake. The sponge is made of pista. If you can see the pista bites, and the filling is rose filling. On the sides we have a pista, we have added pistas. So yeah, it's another great flavor. Over here we have hazelnut travel cake. So the sponge, it was of hazelnut, and we have a Nutella filling in the center, and on the sides, if you can notice, the Ferrero Rocher pieces in the glaze. This is the spiced berry plum cake. The center is berry, and then this is a spiced plum sponge, and yeah, this is a little rustic one. So yeah guys, this is what we covered. So guys, I hope you liked what we learned. In case you have missed the live class, you can have the class recordings and you can join in the next class also. Yeah, so you can DM us or WhatsApp us for that. So guys, the next question which will get you a free seat in our next workshop is, which vegetable do we use as egg replacer in tea time cakes? You can just comment down under our YouTube video and we will pick a random winner. We will be announcing the winner in the next video, so yeah, stay tuned for that and watch till end to see who has won our first seat in a free seat in our waffles workshop that starts tomorrow at 2 p.m.